So boys, meat-free match days. Any idea what that's all about? Quorn are inviting Liverpool fans to try going meat-free on a match day, starting from when we play Man United, making a quick swap to help lower our carbon footprint.
How often do you eat meat during the week?
Pretty much most days. Pretty much every day. You've got a bit of vegan in you. I can see it.
No, over the past years I changed. For everyone I think different, but we have here also. We have
Probably,
I think,
yeah.
burgers, no?
Vegan burgers.
Meat-free.
They're unbelievable. Have you ever tried to give up meat or reduce it?
To have everything in moderation. I think that's the best way.
We got an old school pro right here. The boys that I've spoke to that have reduced meat, they say like they feel better for it. Nat Phillips,
No meat.
Remember when he had his ankle injury? He had the bad ankle, it was just swollen all the time, inflammation. And then he said when he went to Stuttgart on loan, he cut out meat completely and went vegan for the first time ever because he'd heard about it and his ankle was fine. Inflammation went. But I've never done it like to that extent where I know, so. I remember Nat saying it took like 3-4 weeks and then he started feeling good for it. Right boys, I've got a little quiz for you. A football pitch worth of trees is destroyed in the Amazon how often? We're talking that whole pitch there, filled with trees, destroyed.
Hour.
Hour? It is every minute. Every single minute, football pitch worth of trees is cleared. If the capacity of Anfield swap their beef mince for Quorn Mince each Premiership home game, you can save enough greenhouse gas emissions equivalent to power. How many households for an entire year?
I guess 100.
It's 500. Wow. When I was 10, I never knew about any of that really. And then David Attenborough's been on a madness for the last 10 years on Netflix and now I know everything. I think there's only one more thing that we can do is help all of our fans know how they can get involved and make the same changes that maybe we will know as well.